Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you how to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Tuesday, April 8th. And I spent all day trying to figure out why there was so much relentless selling going on in the market. All day yesterday, and then a gap open on the downside this morning. It didn't make any sense to me. So I struggled with it all day until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Bingo. A light went off in my head. The Fed released their minutes to their meeting, and it read like the end of the world. Severe recession, severe economic woes, severe this, severe that. Now these are the same guys with our sleepwalking chairman 4 months ago was up on Capitol Hill telling Congress that there was nothing wrong with the economy. There was still growth going on. No recession. And then 3 weeks later, he's slashing interest rates by 75 basis points. I mean, how can you listen to these guys? Unbelievable. Anyway, I wrote a piece about it on my site under After the Bell. You can buy into the concept or you're not, but it certainly makes sense to me. Anyway, let's get to our format. I've got one new stock for you today, and the reason why there's only one is because I've got too many stocks in my portfolio, and there is a limit to how many you can watch effectively. And I'm getting to that point. So until we can sell something out, I have to limit what goes in. So that's why only one stock. And after that, we'll take a look at the 2 stocks that we recommended yesterday, and then we'll finish up with a short market review. But let's get to our first pick. Our first and only pick is XOMA. It's a drug company. Now, in just a moment, we're going to take a look at the chart. And we're going to try and show you or teach you how to take this idea and turn it into some money. Now, don't go away. I'll be right back. All right, we're looking at a daily bar chart of XOMA. Let me get a better picture there. There we go. And this is a call on the long side, and we think we can make a profit of $1.40 on this. We're looking to buy this stock around $2.60. That's right where the support line is. So the closer you can buy the position to that line, the more of a profit you're going to make. We have a target of $4 right up here. And what do we see? Well, we see breakout, pullback, and it's getting ready to go. And on top of that, it's happening at a really good spot. I'm going to point that out to you. This is a big support area right here. You can see the last time it was down here where it went. It ran up over $4, close to $4.50. And then it's corrected all the way back down, and now we believe it's turning the corner. It's getting ready to make the trip back up again. So this is our support area. And we think that was the breakout, pull back, and then go. And it may do it in 3 or 4 stages. It may get to 338 and then pull back, and then this area will hold it. And then it'll put another stare in. So let me recap that. That's our only pick. It's XOMA. It's a call on the long side. We're looking to make a profit of $1.40. Now let's look at yesterday's picks. First one is LVLT. Okay, we waited almost all day to buy this, and with all the selling that was going on in the market, we thought for sure we'd be able to get this a little cheaper than we did. But we finally bought some around $2.20, and maybe tomorrow it might come down a little bit more, but that's what we paid. We paid $2.20 for this, and still have our target of $3.50. So this stock will go into our portfolio, which means there's one more in there. Okay, next one that we recommended was Taser, TASR. We bought this today. We paid $9.90, and it closed a little bit against us, but it didn't surprise us with the selling that was going on. And now that I understand it, I feel a little more comfortable with the market. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay, so that was our new pick and the 2 stocks from yesterday. And what I really want to do is I want to show you our portfolio, because I was very pleased with how well all these stocks acted with all the selling that was going on for 2 days. So I'm going to run through these quickly, but I just want to show them to you, how well they hung up. Citadel, CDL, closed up 3 cents today. COMS, up 2 cents today. SPSN, down 10 cents, but it's got a great looking chart still. EXER closed down 2 cents after hitting support and closing right on the high of the day. BBI pulled back 11 cents, but we've got our major support area right here. No surprise there. ATML closed unchanged. Great looking ascending triangle. CPSL down 8 cents, but still within this nice looking uptrend. HOTT closed up 10 cents. TQNT closed down 7, but it broke out yesterday, as you can see. A little pullback to support. PKTR up 5 cents for us today. SEED, SEED, closed down a penny, but it closed almost right on the high of the day. Smith & Wesson, SWHC. This is a great looking chart. Closed up 20 cents, gave us another 3.5% on it. AAI closed up 5 cents for us today. Brocade closed up a penny. Sandatech down 25 cents, but just testing support. Hoku Scientific, it's right in the middle of the range. I'm a buyer at around 9, and I'm a seller at 10.40. And lastly, WCG closed up 47 cents, or 1.1%. So all in all, with all the selling that was going on in the last couple of days, I thought the portfolio held up really, really well. Okay, let's take a look at the major indexes, and I'll show you how they took them right to the ultimate support areas. First, we're going to look at the Dow. Okay, and you can see it took them right down to the bottom of these 2 days. I mean, it got to the point where I started looking lower to see where the next support level was, and the next support level that really makes sense to me would be there. Now, even if it comes down here and touches this, it's not going to change my view of the entire picture. This could almost be considered a normal pulling back to here. As a matter of fact, after they first ran up here, I thought they were going to pull back down here, but they stayed up here. Anyway, they could still come down here, but it's not going to change anything, in my opinion. And there's still a good chance where the worst is over here after we know the reason why the selling was going on. Okay, so that's the Dow. Let's take a look at the transportation average. They held up really well. They only closed down $9. They closed almost on the high of the day, and I thought that was pretty impressive too. QQQQs, similar picture. Came down, touched the ultimate bottom here, and bounced off it. Now I'm about an hour after the close here, and I see they're trading up like 10 cents from last night's close. So tomorrow should be an interesting day. I think I'm expecting a rally, but I've been expecting a rally. I wasn't expecting this much of a sell-off, so we'll see tomorrow. Anyway, that's my view. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.